After the black swan event that has occurred over the last few months in crypto, it's become increasingly important to have control over your tokens. The safest way to keep control of your own tokens and actually own those tokens is by having a ledger. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to transfer your crypto from Coinbase into your ledger. Let's go. If you don't already have a ledger, there is a link in the description to buy one below. And before we start this transfer over to Ledger from Coinbase, we need to make sure we've got a few things ready. The first thing you need is your ledger. You need it all plugged in. Doesn't matter what ledger you've got, but you need that all plugged in with the PIN entered and everything. The second thing you need is to have your Coinbase account open, of course, and then also your Ledger Live app on the desktop open as well. I'm assuming you've already done the setup with your ledger and the computer and you have your Ledger Live open just as I do. And we're going to be sending over a little bit of Bitcoin today. So I'm going to go over to my assets and my Coinbase account. You can see I don't really use my Coinbase account, but I've got £3.28 in my Bitcoin account right here. And all we're going to do is we're going to go and click the send and receive button on the top right. That should load up, and the one you want to be clicking is send because you want to be sending your crypto to another location. You then want to select the token in this play with drop down menu that you're actually going to be sending to your ledger. And once you've done all of that, you can click send all if you're moving all of your crypto, or you can designate the amount that you want to send. And then we're going to leave that there and go over to the Ledger Live app. On Ledger Live, you'll see on the left there is an accounts tab. We're going to click accounts on the left, but you'll notice I don't have my own Bitcoin account on here. I don't own any Bitcoin apart from what's on Coinbase right now. So you can click this add account button. This will allow you to add an account for a crypto that you're now sending, if you don't have one already. So for me, this is Bitcoin. So I'm going to go over to Bitcoin from this drop down menu, click continue. I'm going to change the name to whatever I want it to be. And then I'm going to click this button called show all address types. Next to each one, you're going to just type the name of the account, which is Lewis Bitcoin here. And I'm just going to have TR for Taproot. I'm going to do the same thing for the others, but obviously change the last bit. So that would be SegWit and this one being Legacy. I'm then going to add all of those accounts. Now I'm going to click done and you'll see that all of those accounts are now filed. In this instance, I'm going to choose Lewis Bitcoin Legacy. Any Bitcoin transaction that you make on Coinbase into your ledger should be on Legacy. And I'm going to click receive. I want to receive my Bitcoin into this Legacy account. Click continue. There will be an address that pops up on your ledger at this point, but please do click the copy button before you do that to copy the address. Then you can approve it on your ledger. Now that we have the address that we want to receive it, Bitcoin to, we can just paste that into this bit here. This now verifies it as a Bitcoin address. You can leave a note if you want. You don't really need to at this point, and then click continue. So this is just confirming what we already know. We're sending £3.22. It tells us the network fee and the total that we're sending. It's estimating about 30 minutes in this case. Different chains will have different speeds. For example, if you send XRP, it's very quick because that's what the coin's all about. It's all about payments, so it's obviously going to be quick. Bitcoin's a little bit slower, of course. Then all we do next is click send now. Now you should have an authentication code on your phone, on your authenticator app that you input just to confirm with security that you'll want to send these tokens. And there it is. We have sent such a small amount of Bitcoin over to my ledger. And they're saying it will take about 30 minutes to arrive. You can click done at this point. And also don't be alarmed when you see the balance hasn't gone down. It will go down once the transaction is confirmed. You can now go over to your Ledger Live app and then wait. And just wait for the crypto to arrive. And well, in reality, that transaction actually only took about 15 minutes to come through. I just edited this video while I waited it to come through. And you can see it's been credited to the account and you have successfully added Bitcoin or any cryptocurrency, if you followed along, from your Coinbase account into your ledger. Your crypto is now safe. If you got value from this video and you want to see more from me, please do consider hitting subscribe. Stay emotionless out there in this crazy market, and I'll see you in the next one.